Hello and welcome to the tutorial on painting realistic and details with watercolor. Throughout this video I'm going to point out the required steps, supplies, techniques, consistency and some bonus tips in order to paint realistic leaves and branches. The first thing I want to point out, leaves and branches are much easier to paint than they look. Just repeat two simple steps, the base color, which is the color under all the details, and then the fine lined details. Working in layers basically. You just need a thin, small brush and only two types of consistency, the milky and the watery. Milky will be the details and watery for the base. Here is a good example. Both are the exact same color, but the only difference is the amount of water added. Starting with the first step on the branch, with a base of black and a mixture of burnt sienna. Only using fine little taps of the brush. Just in case you are wondering, why is my background different compared to the reference photo? Well, long story short, if you want to follow in my footsteps, you can check out in the previous video. Once you are satisfied, move on to the detailed step. Requires a lot of patience. Now you are repeating step 1 and 2. She just won't leave the flowers, will she? Using the paint directly from the tube helps to get darker tones. Come join me if you want to see the finished artwork. And yeah, of course, you can come too.